explained the other class that taxonomy is what the classification of what living things. Let's leave all that because of time. We continue with where we stopped last. We stopped at what? Kingdom Protista. Now we drew the organism of the diagram of amoeba, we drew that of what paramism, and that of the beginner is not actually necessary. The beginner, I told you, it has pedicle, so it has a shape. The shape is like that of heart. That is the shape of the beginner. Look into your textbook to get more, to know more about this diagram, to get familiar with them. No one can tell you. You might be asked to give the labeled diagram of any of these organisms in the exam. So now let's move to the next kingdom, which is what? Kingdom fungi. Kingdom what? Kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi. Fungi were formerly classified together with plants. Why? But later they had to separate them. Why? Because their own cell wall is made up of what? Chitin. Why the cell wall of plant is made up of what? Cellulose. Plant has what? Cellulose cell wall. But the cell wall of fungi is what? Is made up of what? Chitin. This is why they have what? To be separated from being plants. Some of the characteristics of fungi. One, they have no true root or stem. They lack chlorophyll. What do I mean by when I say they lack true root or stem? Is this? Let's check our feeding association. The association between fungi and what? Spirogyra. Look at it. Fungi does not have root, but Spirogyra has. But Spirogyra is a green plant. It is the one what? It's the one carrying the fungi, because the fungi lacks true root or stem. It is a plant but not an advanced plant. It does not have chlorophyll. So definitely in that kind of association, it does not have a way to feed. It is the Spirogyra that is providing food for the fungi. Some of the characteristics again is that it does not have chlorophyll. That means it can't make its own food. One of the important mode of nutrition, one of the important things you need to know, the mode of nutrition of most fungi is always what? Saprophytic. They are what? Saprophytic organisms. What do we mean by saprophytic organisms? They are organisms that feed on dead or decaying organisms. What do I mean? Dead or decaying organisms. Example, we have the muco mukenge, which is what we found on our bread. Whenever our bread was decaying, when our bread is spoiling, we get to see some white, yellow organisms on it. That is what is referred to as what? Muco. Another example of fungi is what? Mushroom. Another example of fungi can also be what? Rhizopod. Another example of fungi is what? Rhizopod. So after all this, we have classes of what? Rhizopod. Fungi. We have what? Zygomycota and the what? Acidomycota. So now let's go to what? Zygomycota. We have the what? Basidogmycota and the what? Acidomycota. These are the what? Classes of fungi. There are other classes, but these are the three main classes of fungi. I would like to explain these classes of what? Fungi. The Zygomycota, let's start from there. The Zygomycota is a non-septate hyphae fungi. It has what? Many nucleus. Note, non-septate. You understand? Non-septate fungi. It has what? Many nucleus. And now the Acidomycota. Acidomycota is septate and it has what? It does not have what? Many nucleus. This Acidomycota, it produces a lot of spores what? Externally. It produces a lot of spores externally. This class, you have these classes based on the way they produce what? Their spores. Hope you understand that. This one is non-septate, this one is what? Septate, and this one is Acidomycota, which produces spores externally. So now let's move to the next class, which is the next kingdom, which is what? Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Plantae, sorry. Kingdom Plantae is the next kingdom. I think you are paying attention and you see the trend of the kingdoms. We started from bacteria, small organisms, microscopic. We moved to protistas. They are also microscopic, but not as that of what bacteria. Then we moved to fungi. Fungi can be seen with our naked eye. And now we move to an advanced thing, which is what? Kingdom what? Plantae. Kingdom Plantae has its divisions. Kingdom Plantae has what? Divisions. Kingdom Plantae is divided into 3 major phases. Kingdom Plantae, please, I would like us to know this chart. This chart is very important. Plantae. You have what? Talophyta. You have what? Trachyophyta. And we have what? No, let's start. And we have what? Let's go like C, B, Trachyophyta. And we have what? Trachyophyta. Now we have what? Talophyta, Trachyophyta, and what? Trachyophyta. So now let's look at these 3 classes of what? These 3 phyla under what? Under the Talophyta, what are the organisms we have? We have other division. We have what? Chlorophyta. We have what? Chlorophyta. And we have what? The brown algae. Chlorophyta is what? The red algae. Red algae. Chlorophyta is what? The green algae from what? Chlorophyll. And now let's move to Bryophyta. Under Bryophyta, the example we have is what? Mosses. The example of organism under Bryophyta is what? The common example. And under Trachyophyta, we have what? Pteridophyta and Spermatophyta. And what? Spermatophyta. This is another Spermatophyta. We have angiosperms and geniosperms. This is very important. Let's look at this chart. Let's see what is under this chart. Now we have to explain. We have plants. We have 2 main types of plants. We have the what? The vascular and the what? Non-vascular plants. The vascular and the what? Non-vascular plants. So now let's look at this. The Talophyta will surely know they are the what? They are under the what? Non-vascular plants. Bryophyta are also non-vascular. But the Spermatophyta is where we have the category of the what? Vascular part. So we start from this. Bryophyta, the red algae. Yeah. Chlorophyta, the green algae, and this one, the last one is the brown algae. They are what? They are non-vascular. But the what? They perform photosynthesis. They have chlorophyll to perform photosynthesis. They have other characteristics of plant, but they do not have vascular organisms. We move to Bryophyta. Bryophyta is an important class of the plant kingdom because it undergoes alternation of generation. But what do we mean by alternation of generation? That it can be a gametophyte now, and later it can be a sporophyte. What is gametophyte? Gamete producing plant. And what is sporophyte? Spore producing plant. We all know that under the Bryophyta, the sporophyte depends on the what? Gametophyte. Please note this statement. In the Bryophyte, the what? Sporophyte depends on the what? Gametophyte. That means the spore producing ones depends on the one, on the gamete producing ones. So, and Bryophyte, one thing about them is that they need a lot of water for what? For fertilization, because the male and the female gamete needs to swim to go and meet each other. So they need water for what? For fertilization. That is your example. A very important example is Moses and what? Liverworts. Moses and what? Liverworts. So this is a very good example of what? Bryophyte. Now we move to what? Trachyophyte. Trachyophyte. Under Trachyophyte, this is the most advanced phylum of plants. We have what? Pteridophyta and what? Spermatophyta. Under Pteridophyta, the most common example we have is what? Is the ferns. Like egg, they are closer to being vascular plants, but they are not. They do not have vascular bodies. What are the vascular bodies? They are what? Xylem and the phlegm. So now we move to what? Spermatophyta. Spermatophyta is the most advanced form of plant we have. Under spermatophyta, they are divided into angiosperms and what? Gymnosperms. Angiosperms, they are the most advanced, while gymnosperms, they are so advanced, but they have differences. So we have to look at the differences between what? Angiosperms and what? Gymnosperms. So now let's go. Please take note of this chart very well. It is the way plant kingdom advanced from the lowest to what? To the highest. So if you are asked what class of plants is the highest, is the most advanced, the big one is spermatophyte. Spermatophyte is the most advanced form of what? Of plants. Now let's go to the difference between angiosperms and what? Gymnosperms. Angiosperms, their seeds are naked. They bear seed clones. While gymnosperms, their seeds are not naked and they do not bear seed on clones. And we move further to dividing angiosperms into what? Monocotyledon and what? Dicotyledon. What do you mean by cotyledon? Mono means one. Monocotyledon are plants with one seedling, while dicotyledon are plants with two seedlings. Examples of monocotyledonous plants: we have the rice and we have the maize. Example of dicotyledonous plant: we have the cowpea, we have the groundnut. So look into your textbook and get more examples and more differences between monocotyledonous plant and dicotyledonous plant. So we see that we moved from algae to Moses to liverwort to ferns, and now we move to mentioning rice and beans for you to know that what classification means is from the lowest to the highest, from where they are coming from to where they have now evolved to be. And the last kingdom, which is the highest kingdom, is what? The kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom what? Animalia. This kingdom, we have two pillars. When you say vertebrate and invertebrate. Vertebrate and what? Invertebrate. Vertebrates are organisms with backbone, while invertebrates are organisms without backbone. Vertebrates with backbone. Invertebrates are organisms without backbone. What do you mean by it? When an organism has backbone, it makes the organism have higher IQ. When we get to nervous system, you see the connection between having backbone and brain. So now let's move on to organisms under the word vertebrate phylum. The vertebrate, we have what? The vertebrate. And the word invertebrate. Let's check the invertebrate first. The invertebrate, we have the word coelenterate, Coelenterata, Porifera, Discourse. So now kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia is divided into two phylums. We have the word vertebrate and the word invertebrate. The vertebrates are animals with backbone, while the invertebrates are animals without backbone. Let's treat the invertebrates first. Under the invertebrates, we have other classes under the invertebrate class. Now we have what? The first class is what? Coelenterata. Coelenterate. Let us say coelenterate. Next is what? Porifera. And the next we have what? Nematoda. the next we have what? No. The next we have what? Platy-Helminthes. And the next we have what? Nematoda. And the next we have what? Annelida. And the next we have what? Arthropoda. And then we move to what? Mollusca. And we can also have Echinodermata. But this is not very important. So we discussed the cylindrids, the proliferas, the Platy-Helminthes, the nematodes, the annelids, the arthropods, and what? And the mollusks. No, now let's start with animals. Don't forget they are invertebrates. They are animals without body. That shows that they are what? That they are not really. That shows that they are not really advanced organisms. So now cylindrids. Examples of what? Cylindrids. Cylindrids we have what? The sponges. That is one very common example of organisms under the cylindrata. We have what? Sponges. The sponges is what? Is a radially symmetric animal. What do I mean by radially symmetric? That means it can be cut into two from any part of its body. It can be cut into two from two equal parts from any part of the body. We have radially symmetric and we have bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means can be cut into two only from the middle, like into two equal parts only from the middle. Like human beings we have what? Bilaterally symmetry. When you divide a human being into two, you have one hand here and one hand on the other side. That's what bilateral symmetry. But cylindrids, they are what? They are radially symmetric. They are also under the class of radiata because of their radially symmetric organism. They do not have any advanced organ for excretion, for reproduction, for digestion, because they are what? Still small animals. They are still small animals. But as we move down this trend, we get to see more bigger animals. Let's move to the porifera. Example of organisms under the porifera, we have what? The lobelia, the hydra, the Portuguese man of war, the sea anemone. They are under the class porifera. These organisms have stinging cells called cnidocytes. They have stinging cells called cnidocytes. These stinging cells are used for what? For defense and sometimes attachment. These porifera, the organisms are sessile. What do I mean by sessile? They do not move. They get attached to rocks. That's the meaning of when they say an organism is what? It's sessile. Another thing about them is that their young ones are motile. Their adults are what? Are the sessile ones. Also, they do not have any advanced form of what? Respiration, digestion, or excretion because they are still small organisms under the kingdom Animalia. Let's move to the next. We have what? Platy-Helminthes. Platy-Helminthes means what? Flat ones. Platy-Helminthes means what? Flat ones. These are flat ones. Flat ones, they excrete with the use of what? Flame cells. Don't forget, I said these ones are what? Radially symmetric. But when we move to Platy-Helminthes, Platy-Helminthes is what? Bilateral symmetry. Examples of organisms under this, we have the flatworms and what? And the liver worms. We have the flatworms and the liver worms under the what? Platy-Helminthes, Platy-Helminthes class. Another thing under Platy-Helminthes is that what? They have what? They have body symmetry. They have what? Body symmetry. Next, we move to the word of class Nematoda. Nematoda are also worms. These worms, they are what? Nematoda are also worms. Under Nematoda, we have what? This word. Nematoda, the class Nematoda, they are hermaphrodites. They are what? They are hermaphrodites and they are what? They are parasitic. They are not free living. They live on organisms. They cause harms. Examples of organisms under this, we have what? We have the guinea worms. We have the what? We have the hookworms. We have the guinea worms. We have what? The hookworms. We have the worm that causes schistosomiasis. That is also part of what? The class what? Nematoda. These organisms, they are hermaphrodites, like I said. They are triploblastic, like they have body layers. Don't forget I also said they are what? They are bilateral what? Symmetry. Now let's move to the class of Annelida. There is something about the class Annelida. Annelida are what? They are metamerically segmented. What do I mean by being metamerically segmented? Metamerically segmented is that they have serial representation of homologous parts. Serial representation of what? Homologous parts. Example of organism under this is what? We have the earthworm. When you cut an earthworm, notice this at all. When you cut an earthworm into two, in the process of trying to kill it, you see that one part of it moves and the other part moves. It's because of what? It is metamerically segmented. There is repetition of what? Homologous parts. What? For example, if the head, tail, and whatever is on this part, the other part that is outside, it also has another head, it has another tail, and has another head. That is the meaning of what? Metamerically what? Segmented. Examples of organisms under this class, we have what? They are also typloblastic, don't forget. We have the earthworm, like I said, and we have what? The two worms. We have the leeches and all. So now let's move to what? Arthropoda. Arthropoda, this is a more advanced class. You note that these three classes, Placenta, Nematoda, and Annelida, they are all about worms. Don't forget, coelenterate and porphyria, they are what? Aquatic organisms. They are aquatic organisms. As we move down, we get to see more organisms that are not really attached to water. They are now getting free, moving to the water terrestrial. Now let's talk about Arthropoda. Arthropoda is one of the largest kingdoms, one of the largest phyla in what? In kingdom Animalia, because it is divided into 4 other classes. Arthropoda is divided into Arachnida, this is where we have the spider. It is divided into Insecta, this is where we have insects. It is divided into crustacean. This is where we have the crabs, and it is divided into the Myrapoda. This is where we have the millipede and what? Centipede. Arachnida. Arthropoda is divided into other 4 divisions, which is what the Arachnida. The Arachnida, don't miss this. Spider is never an insect. Spider belongs to the class Arachnida under the what? The phylum Arthropoda. Insecta is where we have insects, all type of insects, the flying insect, the crawling insect, and under crustacean is where we have the crab, we have the water fish, we have the prawns, and other organisms like that. And Myrapoda is where we have the millipede and the centipede. So from this you know that insects have large population. They are even threats to mammals because they are very, very wide. They are found everywhere. They are just like insects. Everywhere you go, you find insects. That's why this phylum is the largest under the animal kingdom. It cannot be removed. It cannot be removed because it's found everywhere. Everywhere you go, you find insects. You find cockroaches. You find spiders. So we move to mollusks. Mollusks is just, they have shells. One thing about mollusks, they have shells. And one big example of, before we move to mollusks, let's say more about Arthropoda. Arthropoda are also metamerically segmented. Please note that they are also metamerically segmented. They are Arthropoda because of their what? Of their legs also. They have jointed appendages. That's why they are called what? Arthropoda. That's one of the characteristics. Move to the mollusca. Mollusca, they have what? Calcareous cell. They have what? Calcareous cell. That's why what? They are made up of shells. There are also some organisms under mollusca that do not have shells. E.g. is octopus. So a very big example, good example for mollusca is snails and tortoises. Now let's look at some characteristics of what? Animals under what? Kingdom, under phylum mollusca. Some characteristics that snails, they have tentacles and they have powerful and muscular feet where they they breed with their food. That is one of the important characteristics. Look into your textbook and get to know more characteristics about this organism. This topic is a very broad one. If we have to start explaining everything, we won't even know it. So now let's move to what vertebrates, also known as vertebrata. Vertebrates are organisms with vertebrae, where we have the Pisces, the what amphibians, the reptiles, the what the reptiles, the apes, and finally we move to the biggest of all, where we have what the mammals, where we have human beings. So now a short acronym for this is just para. In case you get to exam what you are looking for the phyla of what vertebrates is what para. Just look para. Know your pizza for Pisces, A amphibians, R reptiles, A apes, and M is what mammal. Pisces is what fish. They are what fishes. They have their body is covered with scales. The fertilization is what external, and they undergo what sexual reproduction. They are what oviparous, that means they lay eggs. That is for fish. They show parental care. It might not be as much as mammals, but at least they show parental care. Now let's go to amphibians. Amphibians is where we have those organisms that live on what moist land. They have what dry life. They live in water and they live on what moist land. Example here we have what the crocodile, the toad, and the frog. Where we have the amphibian. Their fertilization is also external. They undergo sexual reproduction. They are oviparous. They lay eggs also. Now let's move to what reptiles. Reptiles, they have dry skins, cover what with scales also. They live mainly what on land. Now see, most of our organisms live in water, and now we are now involved with getting to see organisms that now live on what on land. Reptiles, they live on land. They do not. Amphibians, they have what dry life. They live on water and on moist land. But now we are now on reptiles, they now live on what? On bare land. This is where we have organisms like what? Like lizard, like snake. They are what? They also lay eggs. And don't forget one thing about these organisms, Pisces, amphibians, and reptiles. They are all photothermic. That is what they are what? Cold-blooded animals. What do I mean by cold-blooded animals? Cold-blooded animals are animals that their temperatures are not constant. Their temperature changes with the what temperature of the what environment. That is why when you go to, I need to explain this but because of our time, let me move to others. So I'll come back to explain what photothermic is and how it affects the fishes. And now we move to apes. What do we mean by apes? Apes are our birds. They are covered what? With feathers to regulate their body. Their skin is what? Their bones are porous because of flight, so that they can fly. They are not heavy so that they can fly easily. They also lay eggs. They are oviparous. They are homeothermic. They are not cold-blooded. They are warm-blooded. Because you can see the advance in that they are warm-blooded. Their temperature do not change with that of what environment. And next we move to what mammal, which is what we are. Mammals, we are homeothermic. We show parental care. We have lungs for respiration. We squeeze waste. We do a lot of things. We are the most advanced, and we show higher parental care. Don't be surprised when I tell you there are some mammals that lay eggs. We have other 3 subclasses under the what mammalian phylum. We have what the class. We have the mammals that lay eggs. We have mammals that are also eat food. Now we get to mammals. Don't be surprised when I tell you that there are some mammals that are there. Please, the organism whales. Whales is the what? Is a mammal. Whales is never a Pisces. Whales is the what? Is a mammal, but it shows parental care. It is one of those mammals that lays eggs. We have the monotremata mammals. These are mammals that keep their babies in pouch before they give birth to them. This is where we have what koala. This organism Koala. Koala. This organism is the what a mammal. This is where also we have what the kangaroo. It's also a mammal. It's a monotrem mammal. So now when we talk about Pisces being, let me go back to there. When we talk about Pisces being cold-blooded. What I mean by cold-blooded is that their body changes, their body temperature changes the temperature of the environment. That is why when there is sun, fishermen go to fish mostly at night, because the temperature reduces at night and the elements are hot. So now we are done with taxonomy classification of what living things. So let me tell you something. In classification, the higher the class, the more inclusive they become. The most inclusive under the hierarchy of classification, the most inclusive is the species, because the higher the taxa, the more inclusive they become. The higher the hierarchy, the more inclusive the organism will become. You know that we get to start from bacteria, we move to protozoans, protistas, we move to fungi, we move to plants, and now we move to animals. So we finally got to mammals, which is the biggest of all. So that's what classification of living things is all about. Check your textbooks for more, read more about it. It's a very interesting one. Thank you for listening.